Today we're gonna see the top 3 mistakes that 99 of future AAA agency owner will do, and how you can put yourself above the competition and avoid them. All of these mistakes are mistakes that I did in the past when I was running my consultancy, focusing on analytics and marketing, and working with more than 50 different clients in the past 3 years. Keep watching, because the third one is probably the most important one, and will keep you in business for the years to come. Mistake number 1 is not focusing on the basics. So what does it mean? In general, when you are breaking down a business, there are 5 different components. Fundamentals is about understanding what is the market that you're targeting, what is the message that you have for this market, and what is your offer. Lead generation is about contacting people and getting appointments. Sales is about turning those appointments into paying clients. Then you have the delivery side of things, or how do you actually give the clients what they want. And operations is the final part, which is related to how do you optimize your delivery and the communication with your clients and a bunch of other stuff. Not focusing on the basics means working on everything that isn't related to these topics. An example could be working on your website, making your logo pretty, working on your social presence, and making sure that all of these are perfect before starting to do the basics. In reality, this is not true. The only thing that you need to focus on at the beginning is choosing the market that you want to target, crafting an initial offer for them, having a message that you will use to reach the target, and then using that message in either your outbound campaign or inbound campaign to generate potential appointments. Those are the 2 elements that are the most important for you when you're starting out, and you shouldn't focus on anything else at the beginning of the journey. You don't have any clients right now. The second mistake is not choosing a niche. I spoke about niche in the fundamentals, and this is a fundamental for these 3 specific reasons. First one is the perceived expertise. If you are focusing on just one niche, for example, if you're focusing on agency owner, if you're focusing on Airbnbs, real estate, whatever niche you choose, you will be perceived as an expert in that space, and you will understand better what are the problems that the market has in regards to the kind of service that you are offering for them. The second point that I mentioned over here is about the delivery. So the delivery means what you are actually giving to that audience. The more you work with a single type of client, the more you will be able to systematize and create a deliverable that is faster to ship and decrease the time that it takes you to service those clients. Mistake number 3, which is for me the most important one, and a lot of people will not understand that, is not delivering a solution to your prospect problem. Right now, this space is super hyped, and a lot of people think that AI is the solution to their problem. But AI isn't the solution. It's just a mechanism that people can use in order to achieve their solution. So your goal is to understand what is the actual problem that the client has, and then position AI and position the way you will use AI for them in order to speed up the efficiency of their process or speed up the effectiveness of the process. Okay, so those are just the 3 most important things that you can do right now. If you focus on these 3 aspects, fundamentals, choosing your niche, and then delivering a solution to your prospect problem, I'll be sure you'll be placed ahead of 99% of the people.